Dajjal is the false Messiah. He will claim to be a Messiah and even a God. Dajjal is expected to use deceitful, that means to gain followers and powers. He will perform false miracles to deceive people, and these miracles may bring the dead back to life. He may control the weather and have other supernatural acts. Dajjal will lead to a conflict between those who follow him and those who resist his deception. Every true believer is gonna recognize Dajjal for who he is and reject his falsehood. These people will remain steadfast in their faith and resist his temptations and deceptions. Imam Mahdi is the righteous leader who will emerge to establish justice and truth in the world. Imam Mahdi will lead people towards righteousness and he will guide people. Imam Mahdi's mission will be to restore the truth faith in the hearts of the people. His leadership will bring an era of peace and harmony. Imam Mahdi is often seen as one of the key figures who will lead the opposition against Dajjal. Imam Mahdi will work to protect the believers from the deception of Dajjal and lead the fight against him. And one day Isa alayhi salam will come to the earth and he will defeat Dajjal by killing him. Dajjal's destruction is seen as a crucial step towards the restoration of righteousness and justice in the world. And the destruction of Dajjal is one of the significant events that will precede the day of judgment.